They're going to tell you, say, God bless your neighbor. Be happy. God is your neighbor. Who will allow you. You God bless your neighbor. Pack out. Now you go to pump water.
And you construct Nigeria. Not be here with the person who build Lagos, scatter Nigeria.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tongue.
Good evening. How are you? See us on a serious, they wait man funny. What's funny? Me where they find who I want sleep with this night. And they go through a lot. Baba, the way things cost now, if not Timaya be plantain sell like for no make am. Plantain now they very expensive. See M.O.P. sleep of tongue. M.O.P. forehead be like Nigerian economy. No go understand that. Make come on cap, your eye go clear. Asoro. My guy, DJ, thank you for sponsoring. The way you like M.O.P., you want to sleep with her. Everywhere, powered by M.O.P. For my picture, say they write powered by DJ. You be NEPA. Papa, you way they close to DJ. The share say you don't come out. You just say you never make am. You just the one associate with people who don't make am. Give big man space. Invest in BTC. Now I'm going to tell you, say, stay with me, I'll make it. Baba, no we are there. Nigeria is in a state of shetima now. Baba, things don't cost. Even I go save, no fee save money now. Ha! See people where they say, this year, no agree for anybody. No agree for anybody, no agree sleep. All of us, they are awake by this time, they listening to M.O.P. sleep of tongue. Waiting did they contribute for the economy. This Nigeria, anything where you do now, you guys add another work, join them. My neighbor now runs get too. If she no catch online, she will catch offline. My guy where they do Yahoo, he dey thief too. If you no catch online, you catch offline. You guys dey creative. Even for half concept, our keeper get injury. As you see other keeper they warm up. Now he start to warm up. Say, I'm okay. You must get something doing. They could tell you say get 2 streams of income. You no go get one before you get 2. The only stream where there is Nigeria and a stream of joy. What God cannot do, I go lie for you. Baba, graduate there now they pity for. See, Asara wey study engineering, he dey choose skit, Rufus, say na runs boy. Engineer wey no fit near engine. Baba, this Lagos they lie. Even freedom way traffic day. Why do they call her freedom way? My first attack, I got it in first tag, man. Bro, no farmer for farm city. Now hot food there. For farm city, those girls, they are very crazy. Sexual intercourse is very expensive in Lagos, man. And they tell you, say, how much for a night? They say 150,000 for natural resources given to us by nature. Now my pig don't stand, though your own just flat. God. Now I tell the girl, say, anywhere I come, now come. I left that wicked farm city. I go to Total, celebrate grace. Baba, Sangote do boys. Baba, Total girls, very customer friendly. DGM, I go Total. I ask the girl, say, how much for a night? Say 30K, but they do promo 25. Say, nice. Bro, with accommodation, oh, that girl, oh, now for my house. I tell the woman, say, let's go. And she senior me, oh, and they fuck with respect. Mama, God, when you sleep with an older woman, you understand sexual transaction. We don't sleep with the woman. In the morning, I pay her 25 back. She said she give me one small infection. I said, don't bother yourself. I use 20K to cure her. 45,000, I remember 105. I put her for Bitcoin. It rise. Sense. Guy, now Lagos be this. Port Harcourt boy, on my leg. Who be that? Waiting be in there. Baba, tomorrow na sit at home. Just they spray. I know they send money go village. Who be you? Who are you? M.O.P. puss. You don't finish. Baba, they come quick. Throw bundle, not they spray this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I do this one and I go. For this Lagos, they know they stay one place for long. If you stay one place for 1 year, back out from that place, they go see you finish. They go tell you, say, God bless your neighbor. Be happy. God is your neighbor. Who will allow you. You God bless your neighbor. Back out. Then you go to pump water. I pack up from Sangotedo. I go Elaje movement. I reach there. DJ, my neighbor now shall celebrate grace. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for my good. Yo, I dey wake up, I say when they call me fine boy, you don't shop. Grace.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tongue.
Lagos boys heartless so Ayo they use Christian music do masturbation. And they watch one of my guys, Ebuka new song. I am a soldier in the battlefield. That's how you go lose that battle. Nothing sweet, illiterate, cliche people who go school not get work. They can happy. My ex-girlfriend have told me I will not take shit in this relationship. Yesterday night she went out Sokaway. As we speak, she's in deep shit. Life now brain no. We the way get big yansh. Elders not they delay to bury your husband. I say let's do it fast. Time is ticking. And I always tell people in this Lagos, who be all these guys? And then, bro, if not for anything, we have children at home, and they are watching us. All this one don't give up their life. These are Illuminati member. If you don't one laugh, one will come this show. Hey, they will Lion Richie. M.O.P. landlord. Not being first girl for Lagos. Sit down. Sit down. That they pet to now. I know they stay Lagos and they be now be for don't kill you. Come here, the crowd of the talk. Who are you, you bitch? What did they do pay me? The kind of they will hear me. Who carry drunk and call show? Lion Richie, the guy they do like say no me. Alpha, Baba, I beg, sit down, I beg. I don't cost you, no work, nothing that will do you. Who marry you, bro? Who marry you? Oh, you be wife? Oh, sorry, oh, no verse. Wow, Yoruba Lady Gaga. No. Sure you don't sit down, no verse, not be joke. You will marry joke, no will hear joke. No, because bro, we be graduate, if not be work when not day. How can they cry job for drunkard? Person, hey, you might be the prefer. How much you get? Now you first get. I be thief. If I can't do you don't laugh, I'll rob you. M.O.P. they can't do that. Say, you want to spray me? Jesus. Oh, that thing when I talk to my papa, they talk to. My father is a bastard. What? If you give me another one again, I'll give you blowjob. Very sexy man. This guy they try me. I mean, believe. Oh bullshit. Bring my hold the money first. No, I want to hold the money. Oh, what's that? Usher, when I pull the trouser. Baba. I like this M.O.P. landlord. Can you become a landlord in Benin? Now, why people will not get sense, they always get money. DGN, I become crack job, but that guy don't provoke the Benin man in me. DGN, when I they come this show, your company, your fool. I've been at DGN life. Now your show, you just see the guy glory. Even M.O.P. picture, when they go put his show, now your DGN construction. And you construct Nigeria. Not be here with the person who build Lagos, scatter Nigeria.